Hello everyone, welcome to the course on vibration and structural dynamics. I am Meera Mitra, an associate professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I have been teaching this course on vibration and structural dynamics for several years to the undergraduates and graduate students, and this time I am offering it through online NPTEL course, and I am really excited to reach out larger audience and to be able to interact over the larger student community. So, in this course we will be primarily dealing with the fundamentals of vibration and structural dynamics, and then slowly move on to once we build up the concepts, we will slowly move on to problem solving capabilities, be it industrial problem as well as research problem. So, as we understand that vibration is experienced by almost all engineering structure. It could be an aircraft which is undergoing maneuvers or undergoing the aerodynamic loads while flying. It could be a machine, it could be a rotating device like a turbine. It can be a civil infrastructure like building and bridges. As one can understand that aircraft will experience vibratory loads and will undergo vibration under aerodynamic load in normal condition and gust and bird heat etc. under extreme condition, under some rare condition. And a bridge and a building will always experience vibration from traffic and in some rare condition from earthquake and heavy wind loading. And machines can always experience vibration due to some unbalance in the rotating devices, some vibratory load coming from the neighboring ground and neighboring machines. So, so needless to say, it is very important for almost all engineering problem to understand vibration and know how to solve vibration problem and come up with a solution where vibration is has to be controlled and has to be minimized. So, there are good vibration also, the vibration of biomedical devices, the vibration that comes from musical instrument, which also one needs to understand to enhance the benefits that we get from this good vibration. So, the course here is basically divided into 4 modules. So, we will go by 4 modules. The first module, so these are the 4 modules that the course will be divided into. The first is the single degree of freedom. Next, we will move into multi degree of freedom, and once these 2 are done, we will touch on continuous system, and finally, a small module on analytical methods. So, the basic concepts of vibration will be explained and learned by using the example of single degree of freedom system. In single degree of freedom system, we will start by understanding what is meant by degree of freedom, then we will go into how to derive the equations of motion, then how to analyze the degrees of freedom, and then we will go into free vibration, force vibration. The force vibration will include harmonic loading, arbitrary loading, impulse response. So, once the major concepts are understood through single degree of freedom, which is the easier one, we will move further into multi degree of freedom, where we will go into the concepts of normal mode of vibration and then frequencies and mode shape, how to do modal superposition theorem, and then we will solve problems on multi degree of freedom system, and then into continuous system, where we will deal with the vibration of beams and bars, and finally, a very small module on analytical method, which will help us to solve more complicated problem using Hamilton's principle and Euler-Lagrange equation. So, the books that I will be following mostly is the fundamentals of vibration by Meyerowitz, which will be followed in most of the part of the course, and also I will be following theory of vibration and application by Thompson and Dale, and there are lots of solved problems in the book by for Professor S.S. Rao. It is called Mechanical Vibration. So, all this book has their Indian edition. So, it is very easily available at so you can always have access to this book. So, I will look forward to a very interactive course. Please feel free to talk about in the forums that you will be you will have access to. Please write down any questions that you have. I will be most happy to get questions from you and to answer them. There would be 2 TAs, teaching assistants, apart from me, who will also help you with your problems, and there would be some interactive sessions. There will be assignments and of course, a final exam. These assignments will prepare you for the exam. So, I hope you will have a good experience, and I will also learn by interacting with you all. I will also enrich the course by interacting with you all. So, look forward to a happy structural dynamics course. Thank you.